Solar water heater working principle. Think solar water heaters are complicated, expensive, or only for certain climates. Think again. In this video, we'll uncover how these amazing systems harness the power of the sun to deliver hot water efficiently, saving both energy and money while protecting our planet. A solar water heater works on a simple yet powerful principle, converting sunlight into thermal energy. At the heart of the system lies the solar collector, usually mounted on rooftops where it can capture maximum sunlight. These collectors contain tubes or panels that absorb solar radiation. When sunlight strikes them, the energy heats up a fluid, either water or a heat transfer liquid, that flows through the system. This heated fluid then moves into a storage tank, where it transfers its heat to the water you use in your home, for bathing, washing, or cooking. The process continues throughout the day, ensuring a steady supply of hot water, even during cloudy conditions, thanks to the insulated storage and optional backup heating. The science behind it is rooted in thermal conduction and circulation, simple physical principles working in harmony with nature's most abundant energy source, the sun. Now, here is the myth-busting part. Solar water heaters are not limited to sunny deserts or tropical regions. Modern systems work efficiently in varied climates and can reduce electricity or gas bills by up to 70%. They also drastically cut carbon emissions, making them one of the most eco-friendly choices for households today. So, the next time you think solar water heating sounds complicated, remember, it's simply sunlight doing what it does best, providing warmth, naturally, sustainably, and affordably. Stay tuned as we explore how this green technology is shaping the future of clean energy in homes worldwide.